Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll tell you how to set up WhatsApp for the first time. If you are new to WhatsApp, so you can set up your WhatsApp. So let's start this. Just click on the WhatsApp app and then click on agree and continue. Allow. Here you have to enter your phone number. So I have entered my phone number and then click on next. It will take some moments and then click on continue. Click on continue. Allow all. And here you have to skip this step. Skip. And here you have to enter your name. As I have entered my name, so then click on next. Skip this step, then continue. Skip. And here you have successfully set up your WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.